In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 PaperMatte, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Privacy. Then choose Permission Manager. Tap on any feature you wanna manage, like for example camera, and select an app under one of those sections. In case of camera, it's allowed only while in use, and the night. Let's go with YouTube from the night one. Here you need to decide what you wish to apply. In this case, camera access for this app, ask each time, allow only while in use, or deny. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, my YouTube was allowed access to camera if I will get a pop-up for it to ask me. But this way, it won't be automatically denied. If you wish, you can always go back, pick any feature, and tap on an app you are interested in. For example, I entered contacts to manage my Google. Now, instead of applying one of those options, click on See All Google Permissions and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!